Hello, this is Tim Outland, and this is my assignment 3 video critique for memorable moments videos for myself and 2 peers. First video I reviewed was Mr. Vince Park and his video on acronyms. Memorable moments of that speech, or the memory stickers if you will, are how the military versus civilian acronyms that use the same letters but have different meanings. Also his discussion with his boss of turbine rotors versus helicopter rotors. A rotor is a rotor, or is it not? Also empathize with him being lost in a class with assumptions that people make when you talk the same words and same language, yet they have totally different meaning, i.e. PLC in helicopter and PLC in electronics. Also the bond that he now formed with his boss as he regales that story of rotors versus rotors, or PLCs versus PLCs. Point breakdown, I give him full points on everything with the exception of organization possibly. That what I'd award a 9 out of 15 for a total of 94. My concern is time, where he spent discussing GE's acronym decoder ring, if you will. Possibly reorganize that thought or completely eliminate it just to cut down on time. My next review was Miss Kim Sutton and her video on her first childbirth. Memory stickers in that video. The first signs of the water breaking, what to do, what is it, and her husband's misunderstanding that when she was going through the water breaking. Then his own rush to get things done, forgetting his shoes at the house, also leaving the vehicle in drive as opposed to putting it in park when he went to get out of the car at the hospital. Then his own sympathetic push childbirthing pains that led to his accident. Very reminiscent of this video, some of Bill Cosby's comedian routine on first childbirth in his life. I give this video a perfect score overall. Miss Kim looked very at ease and like she enjoyed what she was doing and telling the story. The last one was a little more difficult for me. My own video critique, Sea Story, kind of hard to tell, but I think that I was able to communicate a story to both sailors and non-sailors alike, so they could visualize what actually happened on that day and how it came to be. I had my wife also critique it. She said that the only negative she saw that I should have done it in this room was the sea story, and maybe I should have done it in this room with the Navy motif. I'm going to take away some of my own points for maybe lack of setting in an improper place, and also I'm a little bit negative on myself where I should maybe a little less body movement or a little better eye contact. I tend to talk with my hands, and when I couldn't talk with my hands, maybe I over-exaggerated and lost some of the compensation to try and control body movement at the same time. So for that, I give myself a 95. Thank you very much.